Hey guys, and welcome back. This is part 6 of our Thursday Aspen pool install, 16 by 35. As you know, if you've watched our last video, we have had so much rain, it's absolutely ridiculous. I'm just gonna step out here. You can see there's mud everywhere right now, and there's not much you can do about it. We went through a drought for probably 2 months, and all of a sudden, excuse me, all of a sudden, it decided to rain like 5-6 inches in 3 days. So it's really slowed this process down. Not much we can do about it. Definitely nothing the pool builder could do about it. But what they did is they came back yesterday and they poured the footers, as you can see, around here, and then they put the coping in today. We decided to go with this brick coping. It's similar to the brick color on the side of our house here, and it matches really well with the house. So once it's done, I mean, the coping is done now, but once everything's done, we get all the concrete poured in a few days, we're gonna be ready to swim in this thing. Obviously, when they put the mortar in, it took and clouded up the water quite a bit. We're not worried about that. They'll get that all cleared up. But I think right now we're just in a waiting game to let the ground dry out a little bit. They're gonna come back and smooth everything out, bring it up to the level it needs to be brought up to as far as the dirt, where they can pour the concrete. It's going to look way different in just a few days. You can see where our, what do you call those things? The deck jets, that's what they're called. You can see where both of those are going to be, where those two pipes are sticking up. And then directly on the other side of the pool from where I'm at right here is where the pavilion will sit. So we're going to have a 16 by 16 pad poured when they pour the rest of the concrete so that it'll match, and then we'll build a pavilion on top of it. We're really looking forward to this. I want to see what it looks like at nighttime too. And I'll be honest with you, we decided not to go with the travertines. It was just so much more expensive, but this was a good match for our house. It works, it's smooth, it doesn't flake off like some of the stone you can put around pools now. We had a liner pool at our last pool, and we put the, I don't know exactly the term for it. Again, I'm not a pool builder, but it looked like stone all the way around it, and it just chipped and flaked and chipped and flaked. So we decided to go with this because it's a smoother finish, and you can see it. To me, it looks very good. I love the color of it. It's gonna match really well with everything, and I can't wait to be able to get over there where all this mud is when we get a concrete pad and take a picture back toward the house so you can see how it all blends in. But again, make sure you click like and subscribe. Share the link. We've got a whole playlist of videos for this process where you can see the whole process. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel and take a look. And we'll be back for part 7 soon, as soon as we get ready to pour some concrete and get everything started forming up. You can see way over there, they've already got the pump ready to go. That's that box there. So we're not far. Started getting a little bit excited. We'll be swimming in a few days, I hope. They've done a really good job on it. Thanks, guys.